Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about the sea bridges, land bridges, valley bridges, and the mountain bridges. First of all, we discuss about sea bridges, sea winds. The characteristic of the land and the oceans here. Then what? Land warm and cool quickly, and the water part, sea part, warm and cool slowly. Clear? The land part warm quickly, and the water part sea part warm slowly, and also the land part cool quickly and the sea part cool slowly. And the daytime, what condition create here? The daytime here, consider here the this part is land part and this part is oceanic part, sea part, water part, water part. In that daytime here, the land part warm quickly. Here the sun rays, then this land part warm quickly, and low pressure develop here, and low pressure develop here. And sea part, this sea part warm slowly, and here the high pressure on sea part, then here the high pressure on sea part, then land part में क्या हो रहा है? Low pressure, and here the high pressure on the sea part. The time is the daytime, दिन के समय. Then daytime, here the sun rays, then sun rays warm quickly the land part, and the low pressure develop here. And in ocean part, the sea part, what here? Here high pressure develop here, because here the temperature is low than land part. So the wind start move from high pressure to low pressure, high pressure to low pressure, and this is this type of wind known as the sea breezes. क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है इसमें? Sea part to the land move from sea part to the land part. So these winds are known as sea breezes, and the opposite from this, here the land part and the sea part. Here the land part, and here the sea part. Here the condition, what? The time of night time, रात के समय की बात करते हैं. Night time here, the land part slowly या quickly cool here, in night. और cool का result क्या होगा? Then here the cool, the temperature is decrease, then temperature is decrease, then here the high pressure develop here. Temperature decrease here, then here high pressure develop here. But sea part cool slowly, and what here? Here the temperature is temperature comparison of the land part, here the temperature is high, so here low pressure develop here, in night time on the water part. And winds nature move from the high pressure to the low pressure, the winds move from high pressure to the low pressure, from land part to the sea part. This type of wind known as the land breezes. Here the land part, in night time, here the cooling quickly, then here the high pressure develop here. In sea part, here this part is cooling slowly, so here the temperature is high and low pressure develop here. Then here wind start from the high pressure to the low pressure, land part to the sea part. This is non land bridges. And here valley bridges and the mountain bridges. Here mountain part and valley part. This part is mountainous part, and this part is valley part. What condition here? The time is daytime here. In daytime here, the sun rays is straight here. The sun rays on the mountain surface, and mountain surface quickly warm here, and quickly warm here. What develop here? Low pressure develop here low pressure develop here. In daytime here the in valley region here the temperature is low, then mountainous surface, and here high pressure develop. And here what develop here? High pressure develop here, and winds start to move from high pressure to the low pressure, and from valley to mountainous surface, or this type of winds known as the valley bridges. So what condition here? Here the mountainous region and here valley region. Then the daytime here the mountainous surface, due to temperature here the high temperature, so low pressure develop here. In daytime here in the valley here the approx here the temperature is low, so here high pressure develop here. Then high pressure in valleys and low pressure on mountainous surface, then the wind nature high pressure to low pressure, and wind start to high pressure to low pressure from the valley region to the mountainous surface, or this type of wind known as the valley breezes. Next part, mountain bridges. Here the mountain part and here valley part. The mountainous, and the time is night time. Here the mountainous surface, the mountain surface temperature decreases here rapidly, and here the low temperature, due to low temperature high pressure develop here in night time. High pressure develop here at night time on the mountainous surface. In valley region here the in night time here the temperature is high here, due to high temperature here low pressure develop here. In night time here the low temperature, so the low temperature here the winds are the cold winds, and cold winds are the heavy winds, and these heavy winds start to move towards the valley region, from high pressure region to the low pressure region, from mountainous surface to the valley region. This type of the wind known as the mountain breezes. What happened here? Mountain region, valley region, at the night time here mountainous surface here the temperature decreases, and the low temperature found here, due to low temperature here the high pressure develop here. In the valley region here the temperature is high, so here low pressure develop here. And on mountainous surface here high pressure develop here due to low temperature create here the cold winds, and cold winds are the heavy winds, and these heavy winds move towards the valley region, and winds start move to high pressure to the low pressure, from the mountainous surface to the valley region. So this type of the wind known as the mountain breezes. This type of the wind known as the mountain breezes.